What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. So, one of my viewers and subscribers named Joe got a letter in the mail from Toyota saying that they were going to do some repairs to his paint because of some issues they've been hearing along the way. So, there's two things I'm going to do. Number one, I'm going to read the letter to you. And number two, I need you to respond and let me know if you've gotten a letter like this in the mail for your specific color. I'm not sure if it's just for his color or everyone gets a different one depending on whatever color it says that they're the owner of. So this is a good thing because through the years of doing this channel, I've heard a lot of you guys complain about the paint on the Tundra and it peeling and everything like that. So let's read the letter that Toyota sent out to Joe. Dear Toyota owner, at Toyota, we provide vehicles of outstanding quality and value. As part of our continuing efforts to ensure customer satisfaction, Toyota would like to notify you of a voluntary customer support program that has been initiated for your vehicle. Toyota has received reports of paint peeling on certain vehicles with the original factory-applied Blizzard Pearl or Super White paint colors. These reports indicate that vehicles with these specific paint colors, applied during the vehicle manufacturing process, may experience paint peeling on exterior metal body panels. This customer support program provides coverage for involved vehicles with the original factory Blizzard Pearl or Super White paint. The covered condition may occur when sunlight over time degrades the adhesion between the factory-applied paint primer coat layer and the base metal electrode position layer, causing the paint to peel from the metal body panel. What should you do? At this time, Toyota is working on a repair for the customer support program. However, we want you to know that your vehicle is included in this program and that the repair under this program is forthcoming. Reimbursement may also be available if you have previously paid for repairs involving this condition prior to September 26, 2019. We will send you another notification letter once the repair under this customer support program is available for your vehicle. If you have not experienced the condition described, there is no action necessary at this time. Please retain a copy of this letter for future reference. All right, as stated in the letter from Toyota, it's Blizzard Pearl and Super White. But I want to know if some of you guys out there with other colors have gotten the same letter with your color listed. That is the big question of this. I've never seen anything like this from Toyota, so that's pretty cool for the people that are having paint issues. So I look forward to hearing from you, and let me know what you think about this. Does your truck, does your Tundra, does your Toyota have any kind of paint problems that they're talking about in this letter? Let me know. If you have any questions, hit me up. Twitter and Instagram at tundradude34, tundradude34@gmail.com. Have a great evening. Now, I was going to make a separate video on this topic, but I figured I would just tack it onto the back of this. So this is something we will talk about in our live stream coming up this week, but I wanted to get ahead of the game and see what you guys think. So Toyota made an announcement, it's all over the place, that they're going to invest another $391 million into the Texas plant. Now, that Texas plant in San Antonio makes the Tundra and Tacoma. So all that money is going to go in there for A, more jobs. B, they're going to do more training. They're going to add better machines that are more efficient. They haven't announced this yet, but I'm thinking they're going to retool it for the next generation Tundra and Tacoma. That's just my opinion, but that's a lot of money. They've put well over $1 billion into that plant down there. But really what I want to focus on here, and we talk about this all the time, is this is where you got to give Toyota a big high five for putting this much money back into our economy. Folks from Texas down there, so many of them, thousands of them work at that plant. There's also suppliers on base right there at the plant that make the parts for the Tundras right in the same area, campus, I guess you could say. And there's just thousands of jobs and all this money they keep pumping into the economy. So you can't be mad about this. We talk about the truck buyer, especially the half-ton end-up truck buyer is very loyal when it comes to their brand. And a lot of the things I always hear, and why I always say that I don't feel like Toyota gets a fair shake when it comes to, sales, when, in the half-ton market and everything, is because a lot of people will be like, nope, I'm not buying that because it's Japanese. I only buy American. These are the things that you have to look at when it comes to Toyota. Toyota USA does exist. Toyota has made a major statement saying they're going to put billions over the next few years into all of the plants in the United States for Toyota. You got to appreciate that. No matter what brand you're a fan of, you have to appreciate all the money Toyota is pumping back in to the U.S. economy. So I'm a proud Toyota owner. I hope you guys are too. You could look all over the internet. You could Google search about Toyota putting in $391 million back into TMMTX down in San Antonio for the long story on it. But overall, like I said, they didn't say retooling. I'm thinking retooling for the next generation Tundra and Tacoma, training, more jobs, and better equipment. So they're going to upgrade a lot of stuff. But let me know what you think on that. That's an extra one for this video. Take care.